Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'll discuss about how you can find the contact information from any airline currently available in the Philippines. So imagine you have a customer and they're flying with China Eastern Airlines. And maybe you need to call the airline for some reason. So how can you do this? Well, no problem. With CouponBet, you can quickly find all the information from every airline if you have a hard time finding their contact details. All you have to do is just go and log in on CouponBet. Click on Tools, and in Tools here, if you scroll down, you can see here China Eastern Airline, or of course you can just type in here China, and then you can see the third one on the list. Just click on China Eastern, and you can see all the information. You see their logo, their name. You can see their IATA code and of course their Philippine landline number, which is very important. And in case you need to visit them in the Philippines, you can see they are located in Makati City. You have here their address, so you can visit them as well. So CouponBet is really designed to help you to organize your travel agency. And if you want to start with CouponBet, just go to couponbet.com. And in couponbet.com, you can see here we have the information. Just click here on sign up, fill up the details, and instantly once you fill up your email address and you click on register, you get an email. Confirm the link in the email and you're good to go.